Okay, yeah. So, sorry everybody, I didn't know the microphone was off. But it's a rainy day where we're at. Or where are we off to today? Chicken feed. You and your chick. You and your chickens. It's become a hobby with you, huh? Yeah. Well, you're gonna have to research that later. So. Or, or unless you buy a tent for like over it. Hmm. Yeah. Tent might work though. A tent, not like a tent, but like I don't know. You like yeah, something like that. You gotta get your shed up, man. If it quit raining, right? That's that's an investment there. Got an investment in on that. Yeah. How about that? What? Plywood. Some plywood out at Lowe's is what, $98 a sheet. That's crazy. No. And then we give away what? What's that wood? Shoot. No, no, no. But that plywood we give your daughter. That wasn't. Oh, what was it? What was it called? Oh, shoot. OSB. Remember how much we paid for that? And that's up what, $40 a sheet now? What we paid for that last year? Remember? $16 a sheet, people, at Lowe's. And it's up to like $40 a sheet now from last year. Yeah, it's just it's crazy. Well, I feel these big businesses are just they're taking advantage of the COVID. They know people are home. They're gonna get doing jobs outside the house, in their yard or other things, or building stuff, and they're gonna need them. So they're taking advantage of people through the COVID. I think the government needs to do something about it, though. Yeah, hello, people. That's where your stimulus goes. Keep you home, use your stimulus. It goes into the economy. Yup, they raise everything. Even food prices are raised. Everything. Gas? Yeah, it's crazy. It's just crazy. Oh, you were in the wrong lane, weren't you? Is that is that a two lane on that curve or how? No. Make sure you hold the camera long ways when you're in track. Yes, yes. Last time, yeah, Jersey Mike, we didn't get to see much of that. Your finger there. Oh, it was the day before, yeah. Wednesday. Rain-X. Rain-X. Mike might have put Rain-X on that. Um, I think oh, it's beating off your hood too. There, see it? Do you see how it's beating on your hood? Yeah. Can you hear me? Do you see how it's beating on the hood? I don't think you hear me. I, s- I said, you see how it's beating on the hood, or did you hear me say that? Yes. Yes. That's what I said. It's beating. Yeah, on the front bumper. Yeah. If there's some scratches that need a little bit of sanding, I'll tell you what to do with that. Right? Yeah. Isn't there some restaurants out here? Maybe we could catch some breakfast. Hmm. No? Don't you want some? Don't you want some waffles with like strawberries and whipped cream? Mm. Well, yeah. They're great picture quality in this in what is this? No, we're not using Zoom. We're using oh yeah, Zoom. Great picture quality. Are we there yet, Mom? Are we there yet? Oh, did you say we need buns for meatball sandwiches? No. I see. Oh, you know where you can go here today, huh? People might enjoy this. Um, is Salvation Army out there or thrift store? Oh, we timed that right. Screwed that one up, didn't we? Yeah, maybe some other time then. Yeah. I see. You got that camera positioned just right. When you come out, you can reposition that. Hmm? Yeah, hold it up. Yeah.
Have to get chick feed. Oh, you want to let you know the chicks are down 99 cents and you know I won't pick a buck. I need to get joint stuff for the bucks. Yep.
Okay, keep the camera up on so we can see everything.
Because I'm going to get a 50-pound bag of the chick starter, and then their chicken feed and their scratch.
You
Here's
got
where medicine is for pup. I knocked it off. It's alright.
hey, you're on candid camera.
Is that for joints? Yeah, this is hip and joints, yeah. This is the chewables for dogs.
Yep, yep.
6 weeks for best results. The joints. This is extra strength. Well, they have bad hips and well, Blaze does. What do they have? Liquid stuff? You don't want it. That's pot roast, and this is, I think, is just plain.
Oh, good.
So that would be this one, right?
They got
No,
flavor.
that would be a smaller one. This is the 60 count. This one is 460. This is 60 count. Advanced.
Whatever you need.
What? Now I'd probably just give them one, right? Yeah, this is it. Oh, and it's on sale, $9.99. It's usually 12.
Did,
He's more than 10 pounds. Yeah.
did I hear something
So
go?
probably two chews.
Did I hear something going? Did I hear something going? Buck, 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 buck.
I'm not near the buck yet.
Oh no, buck, buck, buck,
No,
buck.
but they are loud. But she goes saying that the chicks are 99 cents.
Oh, oh, now well they're on sale.
Can I? Well, remember, the little black ones by itself.
Oh, I don't care. What are you gonna do? Get rid of them when they get bigger, or what?
Well, especially if they're roosters. Oops, I'm on. Okay.
What's that finger, hon?
You don't connect there?
I see a finger.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, maybe I'll get a couple. This is birdseed. And I don't need that. You need layered crumble or pellet together? So these are the mini pellets. So I usually see them with the crumble. Isn't it cheaper? Well, no. They're both the same, but that's the more. Let's see if I have any. Layer feed. Wait. Where's the price of them at? These ones are normally cheaper. I know that. I forget which kind I normally would get.
Where's your?
I usually get a 50-pound bag. Oh, probably this. Yeah. So I'll get. They won't weigh. I usually get. Because the crumble, they'll waste more. Pellets, they have thick at. Yeah. Then I need a thing of scratch.
You got the scratch.
Yeah, the mixed grain.
Yeah, you got the cat scratch fever.
What is the chick? The chick starter down there, or is it a? Oh. I think it was like 17 for 50 pounds.
Oh, you're so you're so manly. And man muscles. Love the man muscles. Hon, did you hear what I said?
Yeah,
Did you hear what I said?
manly.
Yeah, you're so manly.
Saying, it's so manly. Probably just start grow or whatever. Yeah. So that goes over here? Yeah, it's supposed to, but I'm not giving you that back. Correct. Oh, right. Okay. That. Now what? Okay.
Keep that
I
camera
need
up.
to get
On.
water. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to pull it out and it's a
Oh,
little narrow.
okay.
Where do you want the fan? Okay. Whatever's cheaper. Well, we have the smaller ones up here. So. Well, I need a small for, the ones inside.
Ugh.
Yeah, but they're probably pretty expensive.
Yeah.
That would be the ones outside. I mean the itty bitty one for.
What's that, hon? What?
To feed and water that one inside.
Yeah.
Oh, tried it. I have to find the circle.
I'll bet you got I'll bet you got like 100. You got like 100 pound in that cart there.
150.
Oh, how are you steering that and holding the phone? Okay,
Down to 99 cents.
yeah. Let us see that. Let us see the checks. Oh, look at that one here. What kind are they? You want to help people out, tell them what they are, and point at them?
These ones are New Hampshires.
Like, don't see your finger, honey.
These are Orpingtons.
Oh, okay.
Those, if you can see, is Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah, we see them.
These are Australorp.
Mhm.
I got 2 of them.
They're all huddled together. Oh, you're getting 2 of them today?
Yes.
You're getting 2 of them today. What are you getting 2 of them today?
A pair of silkies.
Oh, the silkies. Are they true blue silkies?
Yes.
How much are they?
All of them are 99 cents.
Oh, well,
These would be the salmon. No, they're the leghorns. These are the salmons.
Oh.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No, leghorns are normally white. Yes, but we looked them up. These are actually the brown leghorns. They're bigger than the little one down there. Well, you wanted girls, right?
Huh?
These could be straight runs.
You know your chickens.
Huh?
You know your chickens.
The ones that say pullets. Orpingtons. Rhode Island Red. Oh. And the Australorps. Maybe 2 of them and 2 silkies. 2 and 2. Now, do you have any cheap, bigger ones that I can stick outside? Well, we have those fancy purplish ones over here, but we also have some other ones out back.
What's that, hon?
Feeder and water and feeders are over there. Yeah, because this don't have that's feed. It don't have the water. But so I can just leave out the ones outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't see the price of them.
Well, don't you know? Don't you know
Well,
the price
she's not here right now. She went to get shavings.
for you?
But
Or no?
to put in the box for the chicks so they don't slide.
Oh.
Don't run away from me. Yeah.
Step back so I can see him. You're up too close. Aw.
Go. Oh, they will. Come on. And we're going to get the ocelot or whatever. Yeah, we're going to get the. Are they clear on the bottom? No. Master are right here. Right here.
Mm.
You got the butt? I know that ringing is not helping. There we go. Oh! Oh, not jumping out. I'm playing sick in the thing. Well, how much are these ones? Sorry. Ouch. I gotta get the cart. Sorry, guys, that I'm going up and down.
No, you're fine.
What are they? They're $7.99. Okay. So you want a water and a feed. Oh, here's a feeder. This is a feeder cart here. No, that's a water. See? Feeder looks like this. Oh, don't. So that this and then grab. Then it just goes. Yoop. Then it's easy. You can just feed them from the top. Yeah. Is it on? It's not going on. Well, these are different sizes. Okay, so you have to make sure that leg is. Yeah. And then slide. Oh. I know. What, they're not getting rid of them quick enough? No.
What?
I know. I see you. The chicks, that's why they're down to 99 instead of 259 or
Oh.
3. Isn't the pullets normally 3 something? Yeah, 359 for the pullet straight runs. 259. And the ducks are usually 5.99. Yeah, but you don't have any ducks out. I have ducks on the bottom. Oh, that's why it's a sloppy mess. Yeah.
Let me see the ducks. Let me see the ducks.
You want to see the ducks?
I want to see the ducks.
Get one out for them. You can't see because they have the platform all slopped up. Oh, there's a Pappy Campbell. Yeah.
Aw. Oh, look at the duck. Oh, too bad. Too bad we're in the city. I'd love to have ducks.
Yeah, but they squirt everywhere. They're messy. They're messier than chickens. Oops, I'll dump this. Yeah, 'cause I have 150 pounds in here. Oh yeah. And my one. I'm sorry for disturbing. This first one or over here? Oh, brother. Forgetting something? You could do that. Not like we really care. Is that my mother?
What's he say? Huh?
Yeah. Huh? Well, actually, Mike's the one that makes all the prices. Well, I talked to him before because I don't want to be the one to get chewed out about it. He gave me the go ahead. And they're all at 99 cents. The 2 pullets and then 2 bantams. They're 99 cents. So we got straight run. Yep.
Get your hand out of the way.
Sorry. Well, she can't help it. She's trying to get her money. I'm just saying out the 5 days this week. Oh, honey, I'm talking to my mom. Me. How are you on here? And 2 bannies. Tell there's a lot. Okay, don't mind. Honey, not the water. You did not. No. Okay, go for it. You forgot to hit the bannies. Just relax. And remember, 99 cents for each of those whenever you're done with these. Once you're done with these. Which one did you? Here. You deleted the lavender filter. There you go. You're good. Okay. We should? Yes. Last thing I want is something. No, go to the bullets. You didn't go to the bullets. Your number? Yep. No. Yes. 437596. It takes a little bit for the price to put in. I can put in or? Not yet. Now you go ahead. Happy birthday, I'll see you later. What, chicks? Yeah, he's been cleaning them, taking care of them. Probably 4 days out of 5. Okay, then I just need to replace. Oh, you got a bunch too? Well, I have some at home. I'm just saying because I'm always cleaning them up, I should probably get something out of it. Yeah. I learned everything from her. You need to push that for you, so it's easier for you to hold on. Like, let me put them in. No, mine's gonna be in my pocket. Let me put them in the front, and then I'll open the back. Oh, sorry.
The car looks good since Mikey cleaned it up. Huh?
Just stick these in. Okay. Stick them there, no. Mike, get the phone. Hey, all right. Want to put the bag in it? No, I'm keeping them up because this will go in the house. I'm leaving them back here for right now. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, no, we're going to have a cigarette.
Oh, I said thank you.
Yeah, he said thank you. Open. Plan on doing it anyway. That's why I always come, so. Yeah, it's probably. Was she alright today? No. No? Worse. Talking baby talk. Can't understand her. Now she's starting to slap herself in the face. Aww. Her head is hurting. That's why she keeps on tapping the side of her head. Or slapping the front of her face to just try and get the pain away. See? Keep telling her. That's not gonna work. Well, at least it's not busy today. Right now. Because we just had 8 people come in before you got here. Oh. It was busy. That car, that one, and the truck, and the other truck is all workers. Well, now that little squirt thing won't be upset. I was going crazy. Yep.
I hear the peeps. I hear them.
Yeah, what? 2 silkies and 2 Australorps. Australorps.
Oh.
Are they the colored egg ones? Yep, and they do the extra large eggs. Cool. Can't believe they're 99. He did that because we have over 700 in the back. Oh my god. But they'll go to regular price. Yeah, they'll be regular price, yeah.
Why so many?
Because a lot of people get chicks to start up, so they have a new flock for by the time they start laying eggs. They'll get rid of the old and have new.
Oh, we didn't know that.
Yeah. Now how many would you have?
I don't want to know how many she has.
11, 16, 17. Yeah, but if there's roosters, they're going to be gone. Yeah, I'll be taking them to midnight. Yeah, so if there's a lot of roosters, she'll take them to the Mennonites and give it to them.
Yeah.
But we can't tell what they are until they get bigger.
Oh.
Because I can't tell any of what our sex. I know I have 4 positive of pullets out there. Oh, and 2 here. So. And 2 here. Because eventually I'll have to get rid of Old Girl and Roadrunner. They're the oldest ones.
Yeah.
Oh, Old Girl, I can see it fast. No, she gets around good. Well, unless I have roosters and that, then I'll send those 2 out. So the 2 adults is new. Even though Old Girl lays me an egg every other day. Because Old Girl, I think she's almost 4 years old, so. Checking see if Tara's calling her.
refill of money. It's a off and on thing today. If I'm gonna stay or not.
No, Tara can handle her. Just do your
Unless
job.
she claps. If she claps, then she has to call someone to pick her up.
Well, no, just leave her. Stay there until she gets. It's carpeted floor or whatever, and just get her comfy on the floor until she comes to. Because really, you're not supposed to mess with them when they're.
No, and that's what I keep on telling the nurses and the teachers at school. Don't mess with her.
I mean, you can talk to her like I do with Blaze, talk them out of it.
Yeah, but Tabitha gets violent when you try to talk to her or touch her.
Well, you stay away from her.
Yeah, she gets very violent.
Chick, 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 chick.
I gotta stop at Sheets to get him a cup of coffee.
I love my
I
Sheets.
have my coffee at the service desk.
I love my Sheets' coffee.
Yeah, gotta get you coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I had to finish.
Oh, Christ. Oh, my goodness.
375.
Oh, geez. Will you get them all done?
I'm getting done today, yeah. I'm here until 2:30. I thought it was 2, but nope.
Jeez. Holy crap. She has a lot of stickers. She has to do price changes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, at least you'll save a good bit of money.
Money,
Mike was wondering who you were. He's like,
money, money, money. Just think of it as money, money, money.
helping me with the lid, with the bottom part of the. He's like, who is that? I'm like, my mother. Sierra's like, she was so confused. She's like, have you talked to everyone like that? I'm like, yes, but no. Like, I try to do sales, but I don't talk like that to anybody.
Well, you have a good many people there.
Well, Jason was supposed to be here today. He got.
Oh, jeez.
He went to the Front Street Deli that's behind the sheets down here. Got a Philly cheesesteak sub. Meat was blue.
Oh.
And he ate it all. He's like, it did taste funky, but it was so good at the same time. I'm like, you don't eat funky meat.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, he got food poisoning real bad. He's been up chucking, and
That's a good thing he has to throw that all up.
well, it's not only coming out of the front. It's coming
Yeah.
all right, does it feel good?
Okay, we'll talk later. Oh, poopy.
Yeah.
And we're off.
Here we go. Here we go again.
Probably stop at the little 17th Street one for coffee.
Yeah. Now that was Harbor. That wasn't Harbor Freight, or was it? No, it's
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. That's right.
Harbor Freight is where you get tolls and everything.
I don't know why I get them two mixed up, but I do.
And Harbor Freight is down past where I turn for the interstate. That's down near the malls and everything.
So, you're got everything done this morning,
Well, except for your coffee.
except for my coffee. Coffee, and we need some Vienna sausages for Blaze for his medicine. Hmm?
Yep. What, so don't share any of that just Blaze for right now?
Does Sharon need it?
Well, no, she hasn't been limping yet, but I thought, because of her weight and stuff, it would be hard on the joints.
I don't think I'd give it
But
to
no,
him.
I'll use it for Blaze since he has, worse issues.
Yeah.
Because there's only 60 chewables, and with his size, he has to take 2 of them.
Oh.
So that'll be good for a month.
Well, we're gonna have to give him every day. He seems to be fine right now. Right?
So it's a supplement that helps prevent him.
Oh.
It's like an everyday thing.
It's like a vitamin?
Yeah, it's Hippodroid. Yeah, it's like a vitamin.
Yeah. I didn't know that. Hmm.
Yeah.
Let me see what the temperature is out there. Mm-hmm. The
My
temperature.
car says 38.
Yeah, that's windshield factor. It's 41. It says. Actually, going to go to 47 today.
That's not high. And with it rainy, it's like, nope, I ain't going to be outside.
Yeah.
Like,
Hmm.
don't cheat yourself.
This is what's called 99, Interstate 99. It connects with 80, 81. Mm-hmm.
I know the outside chicks will be upset because I'm not letting them outside.
Oh, well, it's pretty cold for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, hon, I'm gonna end it here. You wanna tell the people?
Okay.
You want?
Because it's kind of hard for me to do it while I get your coffee and that.
Yeah.
Using the phone.
Yeah. So, everybody, that's her trip to Tractor Supply. I'll upload it here soon. So, yeah. Well, yeah. Okay. Goodbye, everyone.
See ya.